guys, welcome to the channel. As you guys can see, today we got quite of a project that we're gonna tackle. It's gonna be a bit of an experiment. We're gonna be attempting to use this Dent puller. This is from eBay. It's about $30 something. I'm gonna drop that on the screen for you guys so you guys can see that, and I'll leave the link down below. Basically, it attaches here with air. Once it grabs air, the suction cup will suck onto the body of the car, and then here you hammer it back and forth, and then you should see progress. It should pull it out. Yeah, guys, we're gonna attempt this really cheap product and see what's up. Let me go attach it to the air and get straight to that. This is honestly not gonna be easy by any means necessary, but it's just more of a little project, and if it comes out any better than this, that's good enough for us. So let's get to it, guys. All right, guys, we're attached. As you guys can see, you have the lever. When you release the lever, it should suck on to the body of the car, and then we just pull back, and we're gonna make our way and see how good we could get this quarter panel to look. Like I said, guys, I know it's not gonna be an easy task by any means necessary, but it's an experiment. It's for fun. It's content, guys. Let's get to this. I'm gonna wipe it down. I don't know if this isn't grabbing right. Let's give it a quick wipe down. Grab the little rag, we'll wipe down all that dust. As you guys can see, it's just popping right off. It's not really grabbing. I feel it might have to do with this being just dirty. Alright. This is about to be attempt number 2. That should be, yeah, it should be good. Alright, guys, so we're kind of struggling to hook on to the body of the car. That's where we're at. I haven't seen no progress so far. I'm gonna try and figure this out and get right back to it. Attempt number 3. Let's try. Did you guys see that? Guys, this whole center just popped right out. Progress, guys, progress. All right, we got a bit more here, so I'm gonna just you know what I mean, make my way slowly. You see that? Pop back in, it's so fragile. All right, let me get. Technical difficulties again. It is not grabbing again. Nah, guys. Are y'all seeing this right now? Yup, your boy definitely snapped the fitting. I was thinking it was leaking some air through there. Went to tighten up. You already know how that cheese stuff go. So we're gonna see if this works. So, you feel me? Another experiment on an experiment. And then we'll get back outside. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Guys, not gonna lie to you. I definitely ruined today's mission. Oh my God, that's crazy. Nah, guys, what I'm gonna just do is I'll take off this whole piece and run that, you know what I mean, to some store. Hopefully they could get me right, and I'll just attempt this again. You know what I mean? But for the most part, it popped out, son. Popped out in the middle. I'm gonna put some before and afters so you guys can see. But it popped out right about here. Cause right now, yeah, it looks like 2 dips. It was 1 complete dip. I guess we're progressing, but it's gonna be a pain. I just know it's gonna be a pain. But it's a progress. It's gonna be, you know what I mean, a learning opportunity. It's gonna be content. I'm not worried about it. I'm gonna just get back to it. But today was actually fun using that new part. I'm gonna leave that in the description. I'm not gonna lie, I do recommend it. It's just, if I didn't over tighten it and snap it, I think I would have got somewhere. But it is what it is, guys. I'm not gonna give up on it. We'll just continue, you know what I mean, grinding, and we'll get the TSX right little by little. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, you know what I mean. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, turn post notifications on, show your boy some love. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one.